Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install extensions or add-ons in Opera browser in Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera browser and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down select extensions and then click on get extensions. This will load extensions page on your Opera browser. Here you will find a lot of extensions that you can install in your Opera browser. In case you know the name of the extension, click on this one box, search for add-ons and type the name of the extension you want to install. Then click on the entry. That particular extension will load. Here click on this one add to Opera button. This will download and install that particular extension to your Opera browser.